Hey, good morning, guys. Today, we're going to see if we can pump some new life in this old Black Bart Extreme Breakfast, one of my first big lures. Got it at Dana Landing. Probably were happy to sell it to me. Nobody needs it up there, right? We're going to see if we can put this Donato Grander Marlin flap on the back, glue it on with this puck. Something all you guys can do. See if we can pump some new life into this baby. Let's go. Okay, I've already mixed the epoxy. I've pulled the cork off the back of the teaser and sanded it. I also sanded up the end of the puck here. I got my glue here. I would use something better than just 5-minute epoxy, but you use whatever you want. I don't want this thing to disappear on me, so here I am. Spread a little glue on here. Get it indexed right on here. Okay. Got a little wire here, a little welding rod I'm going to stick in just so I know my center's good. Looks pretty good. Got her pretty perpendicular here. And we'll just let her dry. All right, let's see if the glue's dried, guys. Dry here on the box. Puck's on there. So there it is. All we need to do now, put the mud flap in, weight down, and insert the bolt. Here's what she looks like, boys. So what I'll probably do is trim this skirt down a little bit. I'll put the trace in, the wire trace, and should be ready to go. You see the weight's pointed down here. It's gonna give it a whole new action, and can't wait to see how it works. We'll give her a shot tomorrow. Okay, got my old wire trace here. I just cut one end off, so I'm putting her in. Show you a little trick. So I like using these thimbles on the end just because I know, not necessarily because I'm going to tie something on the back here or put something on with a snap swivel, but I know for sure this isn't going to come back through, right? So I got my double crimp. There we go. In with the thimble. Now here's a little trick I learned from Johnny over at Dana. I think he learned it from Ron Lane. And where'd my pieces go? Here they are. So if you don't want that wire, that little wire that always hangs out, snagging you, right? Take it flush like I have right now. And then come in with some dikes, right? Make sure I get this in the right spot. Come in with, put the thimble down. come in with some dikes. I'll just push it through, right? There it is through. And I just let it come back to where it's just in there and just go through part of that crimp. Give it a little crimp with the dikes, right? So now that can't move. I got her locked in, see? Little trick. Then I just tighten this up. Got something to pull against when I crimped it there. Look at that, boys. Nice and clean. She's done, ready to go. Probably trim the skirt up, like I said, a little bit, but work on that tomorrow. See you on the water tomorrow, boys. Okay, morning, guys. Here it is. I cut the skirt down a little bit. The D flap from Grander Marlin attached to the old Extreme Breakfast. I'll pump some life in this baby. Looks pretty good. I forgot to tell the guys we were marlin fishing. We're actually tuna fishing right now, so that's more or less just checking to see how it works. Here she goes. We'll try to keep it close. That looks pretty good. And remember, you're never going to catch a fish on a teaser, but you will catch one with a teaser. It'll draw some fish in. So we've got 2 chains out right now. We got a witch doctor on the other side, and we got this one. So we got 4 teasers out right now. And there's a lot of bait around here, so there may be some blue marlin or something around. We're just going to check it out. You see how good that thing works. It's just all over the place. Look at that. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Thing's badass. More on that later.